everybody. Well, welcome
Thank you.
back.
You too.
Well, we are here at Tidal Car Wash, and we are
Let me call you back in
check
2
it
minutes.
Because it's my first day here, I think. And we're about to get the pre-wash. So here we are getting the pre-wash.
Ask her, can she scrub that up? Ask her for me. It's on that side. Maybe she will. Be videoing. Start it over.
So hey everybody, well, welcome back. Well, we are here at the car wash. You see, well, how I have start my video. So we're pulling into the car wash.
This guy might can do
You see, we're pulling in. That's in that.
Could you get that spot on the door here? I don't know what's going on.
And we're inside the car wash. So we're getting it. We're getting another pre-wash, but I don't know why though. But we're about to go through. So they're getting.
Is it face that one?
Yeah. So they're getting the hood. And now we're on the conveyor. So everybody sit back and enjoy. So here we are with some white, some blue soap. And there's something, and at the end I have a surprise for y'all.
You gotta sit still. You're not even home, Jake.
So down there we got some rockers. And now we have some wraparounds. Here they are. That's back there. That's back there. That's back there. So top brush is spinning, wrapper spinning, and the rockers are off. Now we are in the vacuums. So here we are in the vacuums. So I'm driving up. And we are now in the vacuum. So bye-bye, everybody. I will see you later when I film my video at Honda Touchless Car Wash. And I'm going to drive the Honda today. So I will see you in just a little bit. So bye-bye, everybody.